So mm, good morning, I think, Sir Hadi. So today I will explain about the topic about the status problem. And my name is Reza Sawan, and I'm 4847 international. So this the brief introduction of the statistical problem. The statistical problem is a problem specially constructed to illustrate the feature and to introduce the terminology of dynamic programming. So this uh, the example of the statistical problem. It concerns a medical photon seeker in Missouri who decided to go west to join the gold rush in California. Their journey will require traveling by stagecoach through unsettled country where there was serious danger of attack by marauders. Although his starting point and destination were fixed, he had considerable choice as to which states to travel through. So the possible route this and where each stage is represented by a circle letter, and the direction of travel is always left to right in the diagram. This vortex would require travel from its point of embarkation in state A, Missouri, to its destination in state G, California. So yeah, this vortex seeker was prudent man who was quite concerned about his safety. After some time, he came out with rather clever way of determining the safest route. Life insurance policy were offered to stagecoach passenger because the cost of the policy for taking any given stagecoach run was based on the careful evaluation of the safety of that run. The safest route should be the one with the cheapest total life insurance policy. The cost for the standard policy on the stagecoach run from E to stage J will be donated is as follow. So we want to search about the cheapest total life insurance policy. Cheapest total life insurance, I think. And this the road for the road for the mythical fortune seeker. So how we solving the problem? First, note that short-sighted approach of selecting the cheapest run offered by each successive state need not yield an overall optimal decision. Following this strategy will give the road A, B, F, I, and G, and the total cost of 13. However, sacrificing a little one stage may permit greater saving, therefore, thereafter. For example, A, D, F is cheaper overall than A, B, F. One possible approach to solving this problem is to use trial and error. However, the number of possible routes is large, and having to calculate the total cost of each route is not a plain task. Fortunately, dynamic programming provides a solution with much less effort than exhaustive enumeration. Dynamic programming starts with small portion of the original problem and find the optimal solution for the smaller problem. It then gradually enlarges the problem and finding the current optimal solution from the preceding one until the original problem is solved in entirety. For the stagecoach problem, we start with a smaller problem where the fortune seeker has nearly completed his journal has and has only one more stage. The obvious optimal solution for this smaller problem is to go from his current state, whatever it is, to his ultimate destination, stage G. At each subsequent iteration, the problem is enlarged by increasing by the number of stages left to go to complete the journey. For this enlarged problem, the optimal solution for where to go next from each possible state can be found relatively easily from the result obtained at the preceding iteration. So the formulation we do is that the decision variable xn is n1, 2, 3, 4, be the immediate destination on the state n. The stage corresponding to be taken. Thus, the round selected is A over is x1, x2, x3, x4, where x4 is J. B, the total cost of base overpopulation for the remaining state is given that the photon seeker is in state S, ready to start stage N and select Xn as the immediate destination. So given S and N, let Xn denote any value not necessarily unique that minimize, and let Fn, we find that the equation this where's the mean and where immediate cost plus minimum future cost. So the formulation, the value of Cx is given by preceding table for Cig by setting E uh, is as the current set and J is X and the immediate destination. Because the ultimate destination is the J is reached, the end state of 4 is F5 is 0. The objective is to find F1 and the corresponding road. Dynamic programming find by successfully finding F4, F3, F2 for each of the possible state S, then using F2 to solve for F1. So when Fortune Seeker has only one more stage to go, or N4, his route thereafter is determined entirely by his current state S, and his final destination S4, J. So the route for this stage course run is GS is J. Therefore, since F4 and F4 is CS, J is the immediate solution to the N 4 and is 4. So this the uh if we want to uh make the table, this is the figure. And solution procedure. When the Fortune seeker has two more steps to go, the solution procedure requires a few calculations. For example, suppose that the Fortune seeker is in state F, then as depicted in the figure, he must next to go either state R or I at the immediate cost. If we choose state A, the minimum additional cost after he reached the given in precedent table, as shown above the hash nodes in the diagram, therefore the total cost for the system is 9. If we choose state I, E instead, the total cost is 7, which is smaller. Therefore, the optimal choice is letter X3 and is I because it gives the minimum cost, 7. Similar calculation need to be made when you start from the other possible state S is E and S is G with two states to go. We try to proceed both graphically. So from if we want to make the table, we uh, have this table. After that, solution for stage 2. The solution for the second stage problem is N is 2, where the three states to go is obtained in similar fashion in that case. For example, suppose that the photon seeker in state C is depicted in follow. So he must next to go to state F, A, E, F, or G at the immediate cost. After getting the minimum additional cost for stage 3, the n is given by the n is 3. Table as F3 is 4, F3 is 7, and F3 for G is 6, represent as shown above E and F naught and below G naught in the preceding diagram. Resulting the calculation three alternatives are summarized below. So this is the equation we got, and the minimum of these three is 7. And so the minimum total cost from the state C to the N is 7 is immediate destination shall be X2 or E. So making similar calculation when you start B or D, and we try uh, like the other calculation, and we find that this table, and in the first enter row of the table, note that E and F is tie as the minimizing the value of X2. So the immediate destination for either instead B or D is will be X2, E, or F. Moving to the first step problem, with all four steps to go, we see that the calculations are similar to those just found from the second stage problem, except now there's just one possible starting state as depicted in the follow below. These calculations are summarized next for the three alternatives for the immediate destination. So we find that this, if you want to do the table and the graphic, we found that in this. And after all the calculation that we make making the calculation, an optimal solution for the entire problem can now be identified from the four table. Result for n is 1, problem indicator the photon seeker should go initially either C or state D. For n2, the result for S is C, J is H2 is E. The result to n is 3. Problem which give X3 is A, for S is A, and the n is 4. Problem with is S4 is G, for SA, S is H. Hence, one optimal road is A, C, E, S, and J. Choosing X1 is D, later other optimal road is H, D, E, S, G, and the other road is H, D, F, E, I, and J. The all yield total cost is 11. So this the how we from the all calculation that if you want to know the diagram and this we got. Thank you for the I think thank you, and I think that's for me. Thank you for all if you uh, see the explanation. Thank you.